Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at dinner time on an airplane. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the flight attendants. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. On an airplane, what drink do people order the most? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
The seatbelt sign is off. Can I stand up now?
You can, but wait a little. The carts are coming soon.
Carts? What carts?
First, the drink carts come, then the food carts come, then they come back one more time and take the trays.
3 times? That is a lot of walking.
It is a long flight, 12 hours.
12 hours? Ellie, this is my first long flight, my first one ever.
I know. You told me at the airport 4 times.
I am excited, and I am a little hungry.
Look down the aisle. Do you see it?
I see a cart. It is coming from the front of the plane.
Now look behind us. Turn your head slowly. Do not stand up.
There is another cart back there. It is coming this way too.
Right. One cart from the front, one cart from the back. They walk toward each other.
And they stop in the middle?
They meet in the middle. They start far apart and they finish in the center of the plane.
Wait a second. Where is our row?
We're in row 31. This plane has 60 rows.
So we're in the middle. We're in the exact middle.
We are.
So the middle seats wait the longest.
Now you understand flying.
That is very bad news for a hungry man.
It was 10 more minutes. You can wait 10 minutes.
I can try.
When the cart comes, I know what I will order. I order the same thing on every flight.
Every flight?
Every single flight. But on the ground, I never order it. Not one time in my whole life.
That makes no sense. You order it in the sky, but never on the ground?
That's right.
What is it? Tell me.
No, you will see it very soon.
Ellie.
Watch the cart, Ken. It's getting closer.
Good evening. What would you like to drink?
Hello. Can I see the list, please?
Of course. We have water, apple juice, orange juice, tomato juice, coffee, tea, and cola.
Apple juice, please.
Would you like ice?
Yes, please. A little ice.
Here you are. Careful, the cup is very full.
Thank you.
Is your friend sleeping?
Yes, she closed her eyes 2 minutes ago. Can I order for her?
Yes, you can. What would she like?
That is the problem. She said she always orders the same thing on a plane, but she did not tell me the name.
Let me guess. Tomato juice?
Tomato juice? Really?
I think so. Many people order it up here.
But my friend never drinks tomato juice on the ground. She told me that.
That is very normal. On the ground, almost nobody orders it. In a cafe, I never hear it. Up here, I open many, many cans. Look at my cart.
Wow, your box of tomato juice is almost empty, and the apple juice box is still full.
Every flight is the same. I open more tomato juice than anything else on this cart.
Why? Is there a reason?
There is a very good reason.
Can you tell me the reason?
Your friend is sleeping now. Ask her when she wakes up. She knows.
Not you, too.
1 cup or 2?
2 cups, please. 1 for her and 1 for me. I want to try it.
Here you are. 2 cups of tomato juice and 1 apple juice.
That is 3 cups. My table is very small.
Hold this one for a moment. I will open her table for you.
Thank you. That helps.
Dinner comes in about 20 minutes. Enjoy your flight.
You woke me up with a cup of tomato juice. That was a nice surprise.
The flight attendant guessed it. She did not even think about it.
Of course she guessed it. She sees it every day.
She said there's a reason, but she would not tell me.
Later. First, dinner. Are you ready?
Ready for what? I just have to sit here.
You have to answer a question. In a few minutes, a flight attendant will stop at our row and say 2 words, chicken or pasta.
That's it? That is the whole question?
That is the whole question, and you have about 2 seconds to answer.
2 seconds? What if I want both?
You can ask, but the answer will be no.
Why not? I am a big man. I am very hungry.
Because the plane cannot carry 2 dinners for every person. Think about the weight.
The weight of the food?
Yes, food is heavy. Trays are heavy. Water is heavy. More weight means more fuel.
So they only carry a little more than they need.
Right. Maybe a few extra meals, but not many.
And if too many people say chicken?
Then the chicken runs out. The last rows hear a different question. They hear, sorry, we only have pasta.
They run out of chicken? On a plane? You cannot go to a shop in the sky.
You cannot. And the last rows are not at the back. Remember the 2 carts.
They meet in the middle, so the middle gets the bad news. Our row.
Row 31, out of 60, the exact middle.
Am I safe or not safe?
You are probably safe, but you're close to the line.
Probably safe. I do not love that word.
Then have a plan. Choose your first answer and your second answer now.
Chicken first and pasta if the chicken is gone.
Good plan. And say it clearly. She's standing 3 rows away.
Good evening again. Chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please.
Chicken. Here you are. Please be careful. The hot part is very hot.
Thank you. There are many things on this tray.
Let me show you. This box in the middle is your hot meal. Chicken and rice.
It smells good.
This is your bread roll, and this small cup is butter. This is your salad, and the little box is your dessert.
Is that chocolate cake?
It is. And here is a small bottle of water for you.
A small bottle, not a cup?
A bottle is better. It does not fall over when the plane moves.
That is smart. Can I ask you something?
Please.
You made a mention of pasta. Do you cook this food here on the plane?
No, we have ovens, but we do not have a real kitchen.
But the chicken is hot. I can feel it through the box.
We only heat it. The food is cooked on the ground near the airport.
And then?
It stays cold in a box. On the plane, it goes into our oven.
So you cook nothing and you heat everything.
That is my job in 3 words.
My pasta at home gets soft the next day. How does your pasta stay okay in the oven?
Good question. On the ground, they cook the pasta a little hard, not finished. A little hard on purpose.
Why?
Because it gets soft again in our oven. so they stop early and the oven finishes the job.
They cook it wrong, so it is right later.
That is a very good way to say it.
I will think about that all night.
Enjoy your dinner. I will come back for your tray.
Okay, first bite. Here we go.
Well, how is it?
It is fine. It is good, but it tastes light? Is that the right word?
Light is a good word. Not much taste, right?
Right. The chicken looks great, but it is quiet in my mouth. And this food is salty, very salty, but I still want more taste.
That is not the food. That is you.
Me?
Your mouth is different up here. The air in the plane is very dry, so your nose gets dry too. And listen, it is loud in here.
It is loud, but how does noise change my dinner?
Dry air and loud noise both work on your taste. Sweet and salty get weaker.
How much weaker?
Sometimes the change is close to 30%.
30%? So sweet and salty are much quieter up here.
Yes, and the kitchen knows this, so they make the food strong. Lots of salt, lots of flavor.
So this salty food is not a mistake. On the ground, it would be too salty.
On the ground, you would say, "This is terrible, too much salt." Up here, it is just right.
That is strange and clever at the same time.
Now, are you ready for the real secret?
The drink, the thing you always order in the sky.
Sweet and salty get weaker, but one taste stays strong.
What taste?
Tomatoes have another kind of taste. It is not sweet and it is not salty. We call it umami.
Umami? I never heard that word before.
It stays strong up here, so tomato juice tastes good when everything else tastes light.
So it is better on a plane than on the ground.
For me, yes, much better. Try it. It's your cup. You ordered it.
Okay, here we go.
Well?
It is good. It's really good. I do not even like tomato juice.
On the ground, you do not like it.
On the ground, I hate it. Up here, I want another one.
Excuse me, are you finished with your tray?
Yes, thank you. Can you take this one too? He is sleeping.
Of course. Was everything all right?
Everything was good. He chose the chicken and he ate all of it. Then he closed his eyes.
That is a happy passenger.
Can I ask you a question? Did you run out of chicken tonight?
We did. Around row 33. That is close to the middle.
The middle. We are in row 31.
Then you were just in time.
I told him that before dinner. He did not believe me.
It happens on many flights. Chicken is usually the popular one.
Always chicken?
Almost always. But there is one way to stop worrying about it.
Tell me.
Order a special meal before your flight. You can do it online or you can call.
Special meal? You mean like a vegetarian meal?
Yes, vegetarian, no beef, no pork, no fish, and there are meals for children too.
And what about food allergies?
We have meals for that too. But if you have an allergy, please ask your airline first. Every airline is different.
And you have those on the plane tonight?
We have 11 tonight. They come on the plane in a different box with names on them.
With names? Real names?
Yes, each tray has a small card with the family name on it. We walk down the aisle and call the name.
When do you bring them?
On many flights, we bring the special meals first, then we start the cart.
So those people usually eat before everyone else?
Often, yes. Sometimes 10 or 15 minutes before the cart reaches them.
And they usually do not hear the words, "Sorry, no chicken."
Their tray is already on the plane with their name on it.
For people who really need one, that is a big help.
It is. If you need one, order it early. Many airlines need 1 or 2 days.
How long did I sleep?
About 6 hours. We land in 40 minutes.
6 hours? And I did not move?
You did not move. A flight attendant took your tray and you did not wake up.
That dinner was better than I expected. I still think about the pasta trick.
The one they cook a little hard?
Yes, somebody on the ground stops cooking early, and hours later in the sky, the food is right. That is teamwork.
Here, take this.
More water? I drank a lot of water already.
They bring water again before we land. Take it.
Why again? We had water with dinner.
Because the air in this plane is very dry, drier than a desert.
That cannot be true.
It is true. A desert is dry, but the air in here is drier. Touch your lips.
They are dry. My throat is dry too, and my eyes feel strange.
That is the air, so drink water, and drink it before you feel thirsty.
Wait. Dry air? You said dry air changes my taste.
I did say that.
So the dry air makes my mouth dry, and then sweet and salty get weak, and then...
And then?
And then tomato wins.
That is the best sentence I have heard on this flight.
Dry air, no taste, and tomato wins. I understand it now.
So, what will you order next time?
Tomato juice. On my next flight, I'm ordering tomato juice, and I will order it early, before the carts meet in the middle.
And on the ground?
On the ground? Never. Apple juice, please.
Now you really understand flying.
One more question. Chicken or pasta?
For breakfast? Ken, we land in 40 minutes.
I know. I am just practicing.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. On an airplane, what drink do people order the most? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.